Hello viewers, we'll be going over gold futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model for gold futures. So let's start off with the technical analysis. We're currently down 42 basis points on the 1-hour chart. What we have here, we're still in a negative MACD. We see slight signs of it diverging, and we're also near oversold on the RSI. As for the 4-hour chart, what we have here, we just approached below the negative MACD and we breached below the 200 moving average, this green line, so that now acts as our resistance if we do manage to reverse higher. And we have not reached oversold on the RSI yet, so there is downward momentum in play. As for the daily chart, what we have here is we continue to approach to negative MACD, and we see slight signs of the 9 moving average converge onto the 18-day moving average, the blue and purple lines respectively. And as for the RSI, we see no signs of it oversold nor overbought. And at the moment, we could say the 50-day moving average, this yellow line, could act as our next immediate support, as indicated back in August 12th at around a price of $1,912. And if we do manage to reverse and head up higher, the next resistance will be where we encounter resistance that dated back to August 18th at around $2,009. So if we do manage to reverse higher and hit resistance, that price movement to the upside is roughly around 4%. And to the downside, to hit support, that price movement down is roughly around 1%. So for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading GLD, and my position size on a long will be less than 1% of my portfolio, and my entry will be $176.70. That is slightly below the 50-day moving average, as you see here, so around this range. So my sell target will be $187.02, and my stop loss will be $173.19. On the other hand, if I were to open a short position, my entry will be $190.06, where we encounter resistance or a gap up that dated back to August 5th. That will be my short entry right there. And as for my sell target, that will be $180.35. And my stop loss on my short will be $193.83. So how did I develop these trade ideas? The range, bullish, and bearish ratios come from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 27% chance for gold futures to climb between 0 to 3.6% and an 18% chance for it to climb between 3.6% to 7%. And to the downside, we have a 55% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 3.6%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.